Owning a backyard pool is great, but maintaining it can feel overwhelming at first. Don't worry, with some basic knowledge and a regular routine, you can keep your pool sparkling clean all season long. Pool maintenance comes down to three key areas: cleaning, circulation, and chemistry. Cleaning involves removing debris and scrubbing surfaces. Circulation keeps water moving through the filtration system, and chemistry means balancing the water's pH and chlorine levels. Let's go through some essential maintenance tasks. First, skim the surface daily to remove leaves and bugs. Brush the walls and floor weekly to prevent algae buildup. Vacuum the pool at least once a week to remove dirt and debris. For circulation, run your pool pump at least 8 hours per day. Clean out the skimmer and pump baskets regularly. Backwash your filter when the pressure gauge rises. When it comes to chemistry, test the water 2 to 3 times per week. The ideal pH is between 7.2 and 7.6. Chlorine should be between 1 and 3 parts per million. Add chemicals as needed to maintain proper levels. Some other important tips: maintain the proper water level, about halfway up the skimmer opening. Clean the pool filter monthly, and shock the pool weekly to kill contaminants. Common beginner mistakes include not testing water frequently enough, adding chemicals incorrectly, and neglecting regular cleaning. Avoid these by establishing a consistent maintenance routine. Maintaining a pool takes some work, but it's not as complicated as it may seem at first. With these basics, you'll be well on your way to enjoying a clean, safe pool all summer long. So dive in and get started on your pool care journey.